The most fascinating thing about space is subjective, but highlights often include mind-bending concepts like time dilation. Time dilation is a process or a situation where time passes differently depending on speed and gravity. Other fascinating aspects are the sheer scale of the universe, the existence of extreme phenomena like the supermassive black hole or the black holes for short, and rogue planets. Rogue planets are planets that float alone in space without orbiting any star. And the bizarre physics at play, such as how metals could weld together in a vacuum. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. If the Milky Way, for instance, is the size of a tennis table, an Andromeda galaxy will be 5.6 feet away. A gigantic body of water larger than our oceans has been found floating in space. Then there is concept of extreme physics. For instance, the time dilation. A spacecraft traveling at a constant 1G could cross the entire Milky Way in just 12 years. Cold welding. If two pieces of the same metal touch in the vacuum of space, they will bond and become permanently stuck together as there is no air or water to prevent it. Then the supermassive black hole. The center of the Milky Way galaxy has tens of thousands of black holes. The rogue planet. There could be more than 200 billion rogue planets floating alone in our galaxy. Another bizarre fact about our solar system are a day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. Planet Mars has blue sunset due to the way dust in its atmosphere scatter light. Jupiter's great red spot is a giant storm that has been shrinking but is still larger than Earth. The unknown facts about space. We don't know the exact origin of the moon. The majority of the universe, which is over 94%, is made up of dark matter and dark energy, which we don't know anything about. Then let's quickly look at the fascinating thing about the low Earth orbit. The most fascinating thing about the low Earth orbit, LEO, is the combination of being close enough to Earth to enable high resolution imagery and rapid communication, while also being fast enough to orbit the planet multiple times a day. This unique position allows for applications like high-speed internet, real-time Earth observation, and efficient crew missions to places like the International Space Station, which all benefit from the reduced distance and speed. There are a lot of advantages associated with the low Earth orbit. A close proximity allows satellites to capture much higher resolution image of Earth's surface compared to those in higher orbit. Quick orbital period. Satellites in low Earth orbit can cycle the globe in about 90 minutes, which means that they pass over many different points on Earth frequently. Efficient crew missions. It is easier and less expensive for astronauts to travel to low Earth orbit, making it the primary region for human space flight, such as the International Space Station. However, there are disadvantages or challenges associated with low Earth orbit. One, atmospheric drag. Because low Earth orbit is not a perfect vacuum, satellites experience atmospheric drag, which causes them to lose altitude over time and require periodic boosts to maintain their orbit. Space debris. The increasing popularity of low Earth orbit has led to a significant amount of orbital debris, which poses a collision risk and makes it more challenging to launch new missions. There's another challenge of limited coverage. Due to their speed and proximity, a single low Earth orbiting satellite can only view a small area of Earth at any one time. This is why many uses constellation of satellite to provide continuous global coverage. Kindly follow us for more space updates. Subscribe, like, comment, and share.